Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our new lesson. My name is Madan. I am delighted to help you to learn basic Tamil. In this lesson, we are going to learn the names of the body parts and directions in Tamil. First, we will see the names of body parts in Tamil. Head and face. Tala, tale means head. Mudi, mudi, hair. Netti, netti, forehead. Kannu, kannu, eye. Puruvam, puruvam, eyebrow. Ime, ime, eyelash. Kaadu, kaadu, ear. Mooku, mooku, nose. Vai, vai, it means mouth. Odadu, odadu, lip. Pallu, pallu, it means tooth. Naaku, naaku, tongue. Kannam, kannam, it means cheek. Thade, thade, which means chin. Upper body. Kaluthu, kaluthu, neck. Tholpatte, tholpatte, it means shoulder. Marbu, marbu, chest. Vairu, vairu, stomach. Mudugu, mudugu, back. Idupu, idupu, it means waist. Arms and hands. Kai, kai, which means hand. Murangai, murangai, elbow. Manikattu, manikattu, it means wrist. Ullangai, ullangai, palm. Veralu, veralu, it means finger. Nagam, nagam, nail. Now, we will see the names of the 5 fingers in Tamil. Katta veralu or peruveralu, which means thumb finger. Alkaati veralu, it means index finger. Nadu veralu means middle finger. Modira veralu, ring finger. And sundu veralu means little finger. Legs and feet. Tode, tode means thigh. Morangalu, morangalu, knee. Kaalu, kaalu means leg. Kanukalu, kanukalu, ankle. Kaalveralu, kaalveralu means toe. Padam, padam, foot. Now, let us see the names of the directions in Tamil. Vadakku, vadakku means north. Terku, terku means south. Kiழக்கு, kiழக்கு means east. Merku, merku, which means west. Vadakiழக்கு, vadakiழக்கு, northeast. Vadamerku, vadamerku, northwest. Tenkiழக்கு, tenkiழக்கு, southeast. Tenmerku, tenmerku, southwest. I hope you have learned the names of body parts and directions in Tamil. Now, you can construct simple sentences using the names of body parts and directions. Keep talking and keep practicing. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the feedback. See you all in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Nandri. Vanakkam.